Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear students, and we're starting a new chapter as you can see. So, to be short answers, possessive adjectives, these are some of the things that we're going to cover in our topic. To be or short answers and possessive adjectives, all of them are combined in various ways. But our lesson today, inshallah, will be on vocabulary preview. We're going to go through all these 7 actions or 7 action verbs. There's 7, so we'll go through all of them and make some constructive sentences. Ardayda sharafta badan waxaa la kusoo dhawaada and chapter cusub ayaanu bilownay. Marka to be short answers oo jawaabo gaaban to be laga bixin doona ayaan dhigan doonaa iyo possessive adjectives. To be dan haddaan fahansanayn cashiro hore ayaanu kusoo dhiganay. Marka cashiradii hore dib u soo maxaan ku raadayay akhriso oo dib u soo daawo tan halkan nimo markaas si toos u fahmi doonto haddii la yiraahdo. Vocabulary preview. Vocabulary waa erayo cusub ama erayo. Preview waa dulmar, marka erayadan ayaanu dulmarana haddii la yiraahdo. As you can see, the action verbs waa ficilo maxaan ku raadayay wax sameeyna weeye. Let's go through them. There are 7 in total. Let's go through them. In the first picture, as you can see, in this picture, there is a woman. There's a woman. This woman, in her hands, is a toothbrush. We call this a toothbrush. What is she doing now? What is this woman doing? What is she doing? She is brushing her teeth. She is brushing her teeth. She is brushing her teeth. If I ask you, maybe you're brushing your teeth, and I ask you, what are you doing? Your answer should be, I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. And now she's brushing her teeth. Way cadayanaysa. What is she doing? Maxay samaynaysaa? She's brushing her teeth. Waxay ilkaheega ay way cadayanaysaa. Her teeth waa ilkaheeda. Her. Possessive on dhigan doono. And in this picture, as you can see, there is a man. I think that is a woman. There's a woman here. She has a vacuum cleaner in her hand. She has a vacuum cleaner in her right hand. In her left hand, she has a mop, or I don't know, is it a broom? Something. She has something in her left hand. I'm not sure. What is she doing? What is this woman doing? She's cleaning her house, or she's cleaning her room. She is cleaning her room. What is she doing? She's cleaning her room. Waxay nadiifinaysaa qolkeeda. And there is an old man here. This old man, he has grey hair, and he has something in his hand, some kind of food. And this is a cat. I thought it was a dog, but actually it's a cat. This old man is feeding a cat. What is he doing? He is feeding the cat. He is feeding his cat. So the cat belongs to him, as it seems. And there's a woman here. There's a woman here. What is this woman doing? This woman is fixing. She's fixing the car. And of course, here, the car belongs to her. This is her car. So she's fixing her car. She's fixing her car. What is she doing? She is fixing her car. Waxay hagaajinaysaa ama cilad bixinaysaa gaadhigeeda. Her car waa gaadhigeeda. His cat waa eygis, and her cat waa bisadiis. Her room waa qolkeeda. Her teeth waa ilkaheeda. You see, there's some possessive adjectives there. There's a man here. And this man is painting the wall. This man is painting his wall. His wall waa gidaarkiisa. This man is painting his wall. He's painting his wall. He is painting his wall. What is he doing? He is painting his wall. Wuxuu rinjiyeynaya gidaarkiisa ama gurigiisa baskale. There's a woman here. She's wearing some glasses. What is this woman doing? This woman is reading a book. I don't know the type of book she's reading, but we can see it's a book. We don't know, is it history? Is it a novel? Is it whatever it is? We're not sure. What we can say is that she is reading a book. What is she doing? She is reading a book. And number seven is a woman. So what is this woman doing? She's in front of a glass window. She's trying to clean and wipe, the glass window clean. So she is cleaning the glass window. She's washing it. You can see she's washing. She has water here and a piece of cloth there. So she's putting the water, she's wetting the cloth and washing it with the glass window. So what is she doing? She's washing the glass window. And daaqada ayay marisa. So we have brushing, cleaning, feeding, fixing, painting, reading, washing. Brushing waa cadayasho. You can say I am brushing my teeth. Waan cadayanaya. They are cleaning their house. Gurigooga ayay nadiifinayaan. I am feeding the cat. Waxaan cunto siinaya ama quudinaya bisadii. I'm fixing my watch. Waxaan cilad bixinaya ama hagaajinaya saacadeyda. I'm painting the wall. Waxaan rinjiyeynaya gidaarka. We are reading a book. Waxaan aqrisanaa book. She's washing her clothes. Waxay maydhaysaa dharkeyga. So we can say, what is she doing? She's brushing her teeth. What is she doing? She's, cleaning, her room. What is he doing? He's feeding the cat. What is, she doing? She's fixing her car. What is he doing? He's painting the wall. What is she doing? She's reading a book. What is she doing? She's washing the window. And we're going to stop the lesson there till we, for another lesson. I leave you with Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Before I end my lesson, there's a homework that I'm going to give you. So of all these 7 words or 7 action verbs, can you make 2 sentences for each? Toddobadan ficil aad arkaysaan waxaan doonayaa mid walba ka mid a inaad 2 jumlad ka samaysaan, 2 sentence ka samaysaan. Marka comment section ka kusoo qor haddii la yiraahdo comment section ama WhatsApp ka igu soo dira ama Telegram ka haddii la yiraahdo